Today is an exciting day because it's a manifestation of what collaboration and synergies can do. It's almost 1 year since this partnership began. Kenya Film Commission and Genesis Design Factory, and of course UK Tech Hub. We've been working together.
We are completing the first week of the Digital Media Tools Sensitization Workshop. The vision was 500 individuals. We were able to do 4 days of publicity and we got 2,629 signups. We found these individuals from every county that actually signed up. 92.8% were under 30, but even more than that, 75% were under 24. This was happening across the country. Different Jitumes, but beyond that, I'm sure this is happening in different homes.
I'm very impressed to really congratulate all of you for having signed up and for having appreciated the power of Jitume. Ukijituma unafanya nini? Kwa hivyo tufanye nini? Tujitume na tuomoke. Hata mimi naendelea kujituma ili niweze kuomoka.
I took part in the Jitume initiative and I am so happy because at least I got out of my comfort zone and I came to learn so many things around other creatives. This means a lot to me because most of the things we got to talk about are the experiences we go through as social media managers, and they were so real, authentic, relatable. I am a beneficiary of Jitume initiative and I look forward to a better version of me after this session.
I'm so proud. I've gained a lot. I've learned a lot from photography to how I'm upscaling it to business, how I'm doing the consent form, whatever, and all that stuff. I want to thank the Jitume team for establishing this. This is so nice. And in the course of it all, I've gained some skills in video editing, in photography editing, and it was actually a thought-provoking on what I can do next to upscale my career.
And for all of you, my challenge to you is that we created this space so that we can really monetize. We want to make sure that the productivity of the time we are spending online actually counts. So congratulations to all of our participants in the 47 counties. We are just beginning, so look out for more programs.
Most young people are signing up to go to TVETs. Would you tell me why they are doing this? Because each person wants to have critical skills. It's not about that paper that you are looking for. It's about the kind of skills that you can actually acquire to help you move to the next level.
The success is not in the numbers. The success is in the milestone. We were able to be in one place and connect across the country and have people ask questions as opposed to just be spectators. And that is a milestone for the whole Jitume program. It is possible to centralize learning.
As Konza Technopolis, we really want to maintain this momentum. This Jitume Hub is one of the very many digital hubs that we've set up all over the country. And the Ministry of ICT is supporting, working together with ICT Authority, Communications Authority, National CDF. We are working together to set up this digital hub in all the wards so that, as you were able to see in the presentation, we are able to impact very many other young people within the 47 counties.